So as a man who loves high fashion and is married to a beautiful woman, there's one thing I've learned in life. A master closet needs some natural light. So I'm sure you've probably thought to yourself, boy, I would love to have some more natural light in my master closet as I'm getting ready or picking out my dress for tonight. What would be a solution for that? Well, that's sun tunnels. And so here we are in this closet in the second level of it. And all we got here is natural light coming from the sun. That's the sun tunnel right there, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what we do in a lot of our homes. We look for opportunities to bring in natural light. And I've never met a lady who didn't want to get dressed with a lot of light in her closet. So we're trying to do great, huge master closets. That's today's lifestyle. I know my wife wants a big master closet. And so we put a sun tunnel in our home. And so half the time I walk through there, I think, oh, the light's on. And I go in there and what it is the sun tunnel with natural light. So this is something we're looking for a lot in our design. In our mindfully built process, we're looking where can we put a sun tunnel. It could be in a hallway. It could be in a closet. It could be in a lot of spots. But where we found the best success is in your master closet. And I've never had somebody say, man, I wish that I hadn't put that in there. Most people just absolutely love this, love getting ready in this kind of setting.